Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. On behalf of the Commission on Higher Education, I extend my warm congratulations to the National Anti-Poverty Commission on its 28th anniversary and commend its steadfast commitment to advancing the welfare and rights of disadvantaged Filipinos. Saludo po ako sa inyo. At CHED, we believe that quality higher education is a powerful pathway toward breaking the cycle of poverty. Through the Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Act and our various scholarship and student financial assistance programs, we continue to support learners from low-income households, including beneficiaries of the Pantawid Pamilyang Filipino program, or what we call the 4Ps. Indigenous people are also included, persons with disabilities, and other marginalized sectors. These initiatives complement NAPC's efforts under the EASE program by helping ensure that more Filipinos, regardless of their social or economic circumstances, have the opportunity to access higher education, develop their potential, and contribute meaningfully to nation building. As we celebrate this milestone, let us continue working together to create more inclusive pathways to education, opportunity, and prosperity for all. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.